Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, and welcome to the show on this Friday, the 26th of March, 2021. Thank you for tuning in. Now, listen, I'll tell you what. Let me get the chart started right here. Take a look. I was over at George Gammon's channel, and he had a show about the SLR crisis and the hidden dangers revealed. It's called Banks Face Mysterious SLR Crisis Hidden Dangers Revealed. And he had one of his charts up there, with three simple, easy steps. I was trying to follow it. It's very complicated. What he made me realize is that the SLR is extremely complicated. More so than just saying, hey, when the SLR expires, they're going to sell parts of their balance sheet. Well, I'll tell you, in my mind, after watching his show and seeing how complicated the SLR really is and the way it weaves itself in through the banking system, I got thinking to myself, we're not going to really know the results of this effective action that the Fed's taken until April. That's when we're going to find out what's going to happen with this SLR. It's so complicated, it's unbelievable. But he does his best to try to explain it, and he's done in-depth research into this SLR and how it actually functions. And so, if you're interested in this, that's where I went to watch to find out what the SLR actually does and its effect upon the banking system itself. There's another big problem out there right now. It's a white elephant in the room. World global trade, where everything comes from. When you go and you buy something, at Walmart or any place else, it's being blocked right now. Quite literally being blocked. But you got the flow of money. The flow of money's coming into the system like crazy glue. So the money's there to purchase things, but the items there to purchase have suddenly hit a snag, and we're going to have to see how big this snag gets over the next couple of weeks. We're going to have to see what happens with that. But it's a situation that's rapidly evolving with global supply chain lines. We're going to have to wait and see what happens with that. So it's going to be very interesting moving into next month to see what happens in the first couple of weeks of next month. Let's get in there and take a look at the price of silver today. We're seeing the price of silver dropping today. It's down 19 cents, 24.86 right now as we speak. Speaking of supply side shortages, real physical available silver that's in the market for sale. Here's the thing, guys. Bar and coin demand is getting to the point now where it's actually outstripping industrial demand. They're not going to have enough to cover. It's as simple as that. In silver, when silver's coming. That's what I'm talking about. Gold. Let's take a look at the price of gold today. Where's my live charts? Gold. Gold's actually up $2.30, while silver is down. Gold's at $17.29 today. Now, cryptocurrencies today, 1,682 billions, and we're looking at a Bitcoin dominance 59.2%. And the Bitcoin price is $53,295. It's moved up a little bit. It's starting to move back up a little bit again. It took an awful beating there over the last number of days, the Bitcoin price. But it's starting to move back up a little bit again. One of my favorite coins, Litecoin, down here is down to 180 bucks. It's taken an awful beating. XRP's doing good. It's at 55 cents. Ethereum, 1644 for Ethereum. Let's move on and take a look at the Dow today. The Dow is 190 points up today at 32,810. And now we're going to take a look at crude oil. Crude oil is $60.90. It's up $2.34 today for crude oil. What's the MOVE index doing today? The MOVE index is 59.54. Now, the MOVE index has moved back down just a little bit, and it's leveled off right now at 59.54. And we're going to take a look at bonds and rates. Now, bonds are on the move again. They're starting to move up in price again. The U.S. 10-year now is up 3.7 basis points today at 1.65 on the U.S. 10-year. U.S. 30-year is at 2.36. So we're seeing that movement starting again with the bond yield starting to move up again. That's been causing so much trouble. Look at this. It says the blockage is delaying an estimated $400 million an hour in goods are being blocked. Every hour, $400 million every single hour. Can you imagine that? Okay. Now we're going to take a look at the U.S. dollar index, 92.778. The dollar is basically going along sideways right now. So, listen, guys, this has been your report for the day. The system out there right now, when you get tremendous amounts of goods to purchase and a limited supply of money, you know, or what about the reverse, when you don't have any goods to purchase? There's voluminous amounts of money, tremendous money supply. You know? I think what they call one a buyer's market and one a seller's market, you know? And when you get a limitation on the amount of goods you have available for sale, and all kinds of people with all kinds of money wanting to buy, well, it's a recipe for goods and services to go up in value, to increase, prices to increase. So we've seen prices increase on food a lot, you know. Now goods and services might start to go up in price if they're in short supply. If that's like, people feel pressed to buy something anyway. If you're gonna go out and you're gonna buy, I don't know, a lunch cooler, and that's the last one left on the shelf, and you ask the person, is there any more coming in? They say, no, we haven't got any coming in for weeks. I'll take that one, even if it's not the right color. The lady says, yeah, I don't care. I'll spray paint it in a different color. I'll take that one. That's how people get when there's like a limited supply of things to buy. But they got money bulging out of their pockets. So you see prices can go up really, really fast. Well, you know, I'm going to tell you, inflation is a self-perpetuating, self-feeding cycle. It's a self-feeding cycle, because when people see prices going up really fast, they think to themselves, well, you know, and they see what they can purchase with their money going down. They think to themselves, I'm not putting it off. I'm going to buy whatever I want. I'm going to buy it before it's all gone. You know? Anyway, listen, guys, thank you for listening to my show. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification button or whatever, you know, and we'll catch you guys in the very next episode. Bye-bye.